fail. So I decided to enter your contest. I know you're probably looking at this and like, oh my god, I don't know. I know it's kind of all over the place. I think I kind of look like a Hawaiian warrior gone bad? I don't know. Anyways, the actual eyeshadow and stuff I really like. I just wish you could see it better. I kind of always have a lighting issue, so I don't know. But I guess what I was going for was making my face kind of the rainforest, I guess. Whatever. I don't know. Whatever. But this is kind of how it turned out. There's like some leaves. This is all vines and like leaves, and see, I put some flowers on there if you didn't notice. Hot pink glitter on the lips, rhinestones in the corners of the eyes, and these little red dots right here that I actually got from my inspiration picture. I don't know how well you can see them, but they're kind of like they almost look kind of tribal, I guess. I don't know, but yeah. So hope you like it, and thanks for throwing a cool contest. And I really suck at talking on camera. I don't know, it's not my forte. But peace out. Thanks for watching.
돼